You are the winner, $257, 50-50.
I should have bought raffle tickets for myself. See if I could win. Who is it?
It's Tony. Who? Tony Thompson.
Oh.
949-484. We're looking for you.
Okay, that was Tony Thompson from Medway. She pulled for